The Boeing 737 is an icon. Since its debut in 1968, it has become the most popular jetliner in history. Airlines love its reliability and efficiency. Millions of passengers fly on 737s every year. They trust its safety record. But like any machine, the 737 is not immune to problems. Understanding how things can go wrong is crucial for improving safety. Aircraft are complex machines. They have thousands of parts all working together. Sometimes these parts can fail. Metal fatigue, corrosion, and manufacturing defects can weaken critical components. Engines can lose power. Hydraulic systems, responsible for controlling the plane's movement, can malfunction. These failures can have catastrophic consequences. Pilots undergo rigorous training. They are highly skilled professionals. However, pilots are human. They can make mistakes. Fatigue, stress, and distractions can impair their judgment. Communication breakdowns between the cockpit and air traffic control can lead to confusion and errors. Even small mistakes can snowball into major incidents. Weather plays a significant role in aviation. Storms, turbulence, and icing conditions can pose serious threats to aircraft. Wind shear, a sudden change in wind speed or direction, can be particularly dangerous during takeoff and landing. Lightning strikes can damage electrical systems. Pilots use weather radar and forecasts to avoid hazardous conditions, but sometimes they are unavoidable. Often it is not a single factor that leads to a crash. It's a combination of events. A minor mechanical issue might be manageable on its own, but if it occurs during severe turbulence, the situation can quickly escalate. Add in pilot fatigue, and the outcome could be disastrous. Understanding how these factors interact is crucial for preventing accidents. On July 19, 1989, United Airlines Flight 232 suffered a catastrophic engine failure. The explosion damaged the plane's hydraulic systems, making it almost impossible to control. The pilots, facing an unprecedented situation, displayed extraordinary skill and courage. They managed to crash land the plane in Sioux City, Iowa. While many passengers tragically lost their lives, 185 survived. The heroic actions of the crew and the investigation that followed highlighted the importance of pilot training and aircraft design improvements. The aviation industry is constantly learning from past accidents. Safety is paramount. After every incident, investigators analyze the causes and make recommendations for improvements. Cockpit procedures are reviewed and updated. Training programs are enhanced. Aircraft design and maintenance practices are constantly being refined. These efforts have made flying incredibly safe. Technology has played a vital role in improving aviation safety. Advanced navigation systems, weather radar, and collision avoidance systems have made flying much safer. However, technology is not a silver bullet. It can fail. Pilots must be trained to handle situations where technology malfunctions. Over-reliance on automation can lead to complacency and skill degradation. The quest for safer skies continues. The aviation industry is exploring new technologies and approaches to further reduce risks. These include enhanced pilot training, using simulators and virtual reality to create more realistic and challenging training scenarios. Predictive maintenance, utilizing sensors and data analytics to identify potential problems before they become serious. Improved aircraft design, designing planes with more redundant systems and better safety features. The goal is to make flying even safer. By understanding the factors that can lead to accidents, by learning from past mistakes, and by embracing innovation, we can continue to improve the safety of air travel for everyone.